What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this 2025 Chevy Blazer remote key fob. This Chevy Blazer key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The first thing I'm going to do is grab my Blazer key fob, and we're going to remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button on the side of the fob that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now I'm going to hold the key fob with the buttons facing down and take a look at the bottom of it. What I'm going to do is come in here and I'm going to take my key and put it back in the slot that it slid out of, but I'm only going to put the very end of it in, maybe about that far. So I'm going to put the end of the key in, and then I'm going to pry up like this, and it's going to pop this back cover up. So put the end of my key in there and then pry up, and you can see it starts to pop that cover off. Go ahead and pull the back off, and sometimes the circuit board will stick in the back like this one did. If so, just kind of pull it out like that and then position it down in the front, just so your board's sitting in there. And we'll flip it over and take a look in the back cover. We see our battery right here, and I'll use the end of my key just to get under the edge of the battery and pop it out of that little holder. Then I'm going to grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side down, positive side down. Snap it down into that holder. And then again, make sure your circuit board is sitting down there like that, like it needs to be. And then we'll snap the two halves back together. Slide the emergency key back in. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.